Hello class and welcome to week 6 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you have a Lumen resource assignment. It's called Evidence. Evidence is what can you do to support your argument, whether it's research from an outside source, personal experience, something you've heard, read, bona fide, reputable source that can support your point from a database article or a reputable article on the web. So you're going to be reading about evidence. In fact, you have the evidence assignment due this evening. If you go to the calendar tab, you will see that it's due by 11:59 p.m. for this evening. For more information on evidence, you will see the discussion board prompt that says Lumen Integrating Evidence Practice. So you're going to be choosing a total of 4 sources, 2 from the assigned readings that you've done, and of course the video would count if there's a video that you think might help to support your point. 2 from the readings and or video, and 2 from research that you have found on the web from the CCBC databases. So you're going to be composing a tentative thesis for your essay, because your essay on health is coming up due next week, and I'd like you to begin working on it this week. Select some kind of evidence, a quote, a paraphrase, and compose a body paragraph that integrates the evidence from the sources to support your thesis. And then, of course, you're going to cite it in MLA format. By the end of the week, I do want you to respond by Thursday to about 2 others regarding this. I'm sorry, not for the integrating practice. There is no response needed from your peers. However, later in the week, you do have to do the health discussion 3 posting, and it is a critical analysis to Soares, Lanau, and Tweed's articles. So it's very similar to what you've done before. You're going to be doing a critical analysis of the articles and writing your paragraphs and responding to peers. For more information, please, of course, check the calendar and also check the health module, where you'll find more of the information here. The discussion board is, of course, where you'll be posting your paragraphs, your critical responses to the information. So I hope this information was helpful. By the end of the week, I'd like you to begin working on your essay.